Hi, this is Sanmugan here. Now I am going to show how my Kibas Robo is working effectively and making profit every day. This robo is suitable for both retail traders and institutional traders. It's very simple and very easy robo, thin robo. Okay, just watch. It's only 2 to 3 minutes time. Every day 2 minutes setup. No need to keep on watching your PC and trade, etc. Okay. My robo is installed in cloud computer, that is called VPS. To access VPS in any PC or any laptop, you have to type this remote desktop connection. This is my VPS ID, demo ID. Just I am clicking. Already credentials saved, so automatically it will open. This is my robo. It has portfolio, clear, start, stop, cache, settings, indicator, contract, several mails. You can click this about, you can see my details, contact details. Just I am going to show how my robo is operating, how to set the robo to your preferable portfolio, trading portfolio. Now the robo in running mode. So first stop, then clear. Automatically it will gone. Okay. For robo trading, two softwares we are using. One is signal generating software, another one is robo execution software. Okay, signal generating software with the strategy is very important. Here we are using the global software, forex trading software MT4, MetaTrader 4. In MetaTrader 4 we can use all the scripts, index, cash, and NSE futures, commodities, and currency, whatever it is, all Indian market symbols can be traded. Okay, here we are using only simple strategy called rockets. 1 minute morning Nifty script already added. I do one thing, how to add Nifty, Bank Nifty, how to add script I will show you. To close the script, like right click the particular tab and close, all will be closed. Then this is market watch, right click hide all, automatically it will hide everything. To add a Nifty in this market watch, right click symbols, how to add scripts in market watch. Here you can see forex, international market, NSE cash, M6 futures, NSE futures, NCDX, agri commodity, NSE currency, bank Nifty options, Nifty 50 futures. So lot of tabs are available. Now I am going to show how to add Nifty indexes like Nifty index and Bank Nifty index. Okay, go select this NSE future tab, NSE FUT tab. In there you can see this Bank Nifty. Double click, automatically it will become this golden color. Then Nifty also we can choose type N. Nifty exists Singapore. This double click Nifty. Then close. The two scripts will reflect here. Then right click Bank Nifty chart window. Go to 1 minute. Apply. That's all. Nifty is ready. Bank Nifty right click. Nifty right click chart window. Select M1. Then apply 1 minute option. Nifty 38 at 35. That's all, setting is ready. Morning, once the market open, it will give signal. So this signal automatically captured by robo will place the order automatically within 8 milliseconds, lightning speed. I have plan A and plan B. Plan A is in M1 morning. Okay, 1 minute chart. Plan B is 5-minute chart in European market opening time. So for that, we have to add one more Bank Nifty chart, one more Nifty chart. We can add simultaneously both, right? The Bank Nifty chart template for 1 p.m. Apply 1 p.m. target M35. Why this plan B? In case plan 1 missed out, plan B will helpful to achieve our target. Now the options trading setup is ready. How? We are adding only Nifty and Bank Nifty. How I am saying options trading setup is ready? Here is the trick. I will show you in robo setting. Chart setting is only future, but whereas this future calls, how the future calls has been converted into option calls. Let us see. Now I am switch on this robo button. This is robo. In Gbull, if we logged in by using credentials, no need to put the credentials every time login. It will work morning 9 to 8 to till night 12:30. So it opens automatically. But by morning, once you click open, it will ask credentials. So you have to put credentials. Now I am going to portfolio. So I will clear the existing setups. Okay. Now I am going to add again here NSE futures, Nifty. You can select data from the drawdown down Nifty. It is alphabetical order sequence. See here Nifty, NIFT, Nifty May 2021 futures. Quantity you can choose. I am choosing 2 quantity. Trade signal after 9:15 because 1 minute it will take after 9:15 immediately. Leave it. Final signal, don't worry about it. It will, once the trade close, don't worry about it. Robo will close automatically. Take signal both. This is important. Then add here. Then add here. Similarly, Bank Nifty we have to add. Bank Nifty May. Just save. Now see 9:15 order platform. Initial quantity shows 3. Now if I want to set quantity 2, we can change. Again go back. Bank Nifty. Click quantity 2. 9:15. Add. So Nifty. This time this quantity and time same, so no need to change. Same add. Now you can see the quantity is 2 here. You can reconfirm. Initial quantity is 2. The start time is 9:15. That's all. In settings, we have mapped this robo with Telegram bot. I will explain in next video. Just to start. See, the robo will automatically send a message about your robo started message. That's all. Every day, my robo and my strategies giving consistent profit of 2000 rupees per lot in options, Nifty and Bank Nifty. I have added 2 Nifty and 2 Bank Nifty. Okay, my expectation is 4 lots into 2000, 8000 rupees tomorrow. In settings, see how to set day target. In settings, go and set this 8,000 rupees. Top loss always I am putting 0. Why? Because my strategy, MT4 strategy itself inbuilt with stop loss. So I am not worrying about the stop loss. If I put the stop loss, we don't know where to put the stop loss, right? So my strategy will take the stop loss automatically. So I am not preferring stop loss. Where to enter, where to exit, covered by strategy. The target only we are going to cover in putting the this is very disciplined target every day. If you my capital is around 1 lakh, I have 4 lakhs, but I considered 1 lakh and my expected target is only 8,000. So I set 2 lot into Nifty, 2 lot into Bank Nifty. But how Shanmugan you are telling it will work on options? Here is the trick. ATM flip is on. In setting, okay, there is one more option. ATM flip option on weeklies. If we switch on this ATM flip on, once the Nifty Bank Nifty future added, the robo will convert the future signal into option. That is called flip. It's working fine. All my hundreds of clients are enjoying this everyday profit. So you can join my YouTube channel and Telegram channel. You can see all the daily profits display in charts. Just after adding all these things, just start robo, then close it, it will work. Then close this, it will work automatically. No need to use PC to switch on this robo. Only Telegram bot and your mobile is enough. How? See, this is my Rich Boss is my bot integrated with my robo. Okay, you can choose your nickname. Everybody can choose your nickname. Just I am typing here help. Automatically it will display all the bot commands. Here C1 is welcome message. Now I am typing C1, it will show welcome message. Welcome to trade automation. C2 status. Robo is running, right? Now C4 stop, C5 stop robo. Robo stopped. If you log in and see, it will show robo stopped. See, I will see. Now the robo is stopped. Again, I am putting start robo C4. Robo started. Let us see here what will happen. See robo running. So without PC, without internet, you can switch on your robo by using this Telegram bot. How? First, you have to install Gbull app in your mobile. Log in by using your Gbull credentials. Then go to Telegram bot. Then type C4. Robo will be started. No need to sit in front of the PC. No need to keep on watching the PC by about each and every entry and trade. No need to wait for the signals. Signals will execute automatically within 8 milliseconds. So very quick robo, interesting robo, very profitable robo. Investment is only 20,000 rupees. Every day you will get 5% of return. If you invest 40,000 rupees, you can choose 2,000 rupees per day. It will book automatically. So 90% accuracy. Keep on watching my YouTube channel. If you like, subscribe and share to your well-wishers, neighbors, friends. All the best, my dear friends. Keep in touch. Bye.